Hey, Mrs. Watson here. Today we're going to talk about how to multiply and divide positive and negative decimals. All the same processes and rules apply to multiplying and dividing rational numbers, which are fractions and decimals. Once you have a solution, apply integer rules to determine the sign of the product or quotient. If the signs are the same, then the answer is positive. If the signs are different, then the answer is negative. So let's take a look at this first one. I have negative 4.32 divided by 1.2. So I'm going to go ahead and do the division. 4.32 divided by 1.2. I need to multiply both numbers by 10 to move my decimal over. 12 goes into 4 0 times. 12 goes into 43 3 times, which is 36. 43 minus 36 is 7. Bring back down my next digit, which is 2. 12 goes into 72 6 times. 6 times 12 is 72. And then I'm going to bring my decimal straight up. And I'm going to take a look at my signs. I had a negative and a positive. Since the signs are different, my answer is going to be negative. So it's negative 3 6/10. Now let's try this skill with a real-world example. The cell phone company charges Michael a late fee of $3.84 per day until the balance is paid. If Michael is 8 days late, what is the change in Michael's bank account? Okay, so we know that he's going to be charged $3.84 per day. And we know that he is 8 days late. What we need to know is the change in the bank account. And since it's asking us for the change, that means that it wants to know, is his bank account getting bigger, like it's positive, or is it getting negative? And since he's being charged a fee, that would make the 384 a negative. So now we need to plan and work. So I have negative 384, and we're going to multiply that by the number of days, which is 8 days. So 384 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 8 is 64, plus 3 is 67. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 6 is 30. Count my decimal places, 1, 2, so I need 1, 2. And then a negative times a positive. Since the same signs are different, we're going to have a negative answer. So we can say that the change in Michael's bank account is negative $30.72. Okay, not a lot. Let's get these notes secured in our math journal.